AMERICOM, it's your teacher Joy. Guys, I think you're doing very well, and so am I. So guys, today AMERICOM is gonna make you happy with this amazing lesson here, which the title is How to Express Wishes in English. And I believe, guys, this is a little bit harder, but I promise you that you're really gonna understand the facts. Alright, without wasting time, I think we have to capture all what it is on the board. Alright, so les gars, AMERICOM ideside leo iviene seni leso manga vino wish ikaomba taharmai baki wangu ziona leson très important mana yona tamumbabi bena kama dama yeleza leo mtu yelewa pia. So I believe you okay. Gelaona zo moja kwa moja. Donc na mwema ki hauzuri mpulikie parce que ino tinronge ulata tu. Alright, let's go. How to express wishes in English. Leonge jarune namna urumia wish, namna urumia suhe harman shingereza. We use wish to express that we regret something or we would like something to be different than the way it is. Wish mrumia na ikango taho situation lio au présent ike différent. Donc leonge jarune namna chuwana zmwana tari rielewe. We have here wish plus simple past. We want a situation in the present or future to be different. Donc, wish plus simple past. Wasi rumia na ikangerta hao situation ilio au présent or futur ike différent. So we have an example here. I wish I ate more vegetable. Donc, I ate, to eat au passé simple. Donc, rirumi abano manangertao action yatu au présent ike différent. Donc, inakatirongwa I wish I ate more vegetable. Ça veut dire maskina yakanikola legumu nyingi. But I don't. Ça veut dire au présent ici là, benjoventa situation yo ike différent. Nongola nyingi. You dig what I'm saying? Donc, wish wasi rumia harmai kaino nakangertao nongo zatu au présent zike différent. So, the second example here, I wish I were single. Donc nakati rongoa I wish I were single, ça veut dire maskina ekati ka célibataire. But I'm not. Ça veut dire je suis mariée. Exemple nakama oringo bwandu wandao harmwa feti bengo ptashon amba wanduka wafungia. De wanda mai fetio bewa ujiparamba deja ufungia kusijua mai feti. Babongo jisikinio maskina ekati kaza célibataire jikabde kinalio mai salile vali. Wawodo wakati rumiao I wish I were single. La majorité de vous mto shangaya amba manendenda rongoa I wish I were single. Bekara rongoa I was. I were in lazimishwa ike I was. Beharma I wishi was kartia was. Was tia were. Même he, she, it was rumia toujours were. Mana wishi harma grammaire was karnongo rumia was. Yo sawa na if. Alright, so let's go. Here we have wish plus past continuous. We want to be doing different activity in the present or future. Donc wish plus le passé continu. Voici rumia. Na kangetsa haurike en train de faire une action au présent, action différente. Ça veut dire on n'est pas en train de le faire, mais on souhaite qu'on était en train de le faire. Alright, so here we have an example. I wish it weren't raining now. Ça veut dire ngo suhete ama maskina ikaka kuko shuka mvua na deja mvua nge shuka. Donc cette continuité au jobenza ike mbaka ici au présent. Et demanda na rongoa I wish it weren't raining now. It is raining now. Ça veut dire aba mvua nge shuka. Okay, another example here. I wish you were reading your English book. You are not reading. Donc nakati nongwa I wish you were reading your English book. Par exemple, tu es en train de jouer le foot, tu es en train de faire l'action. Après ba chabala jarongwa ma maskina ukaweka yako kosoma. So cela veut dire déjà on fait action il au présent, de wanrungwa souhaiter on ba ike différent. Alright, so let's go. Here we have wish plus past perfect. We want to be able to change the situation in the past. Here we have regrets. wish plus past perfect. Rijomenza situation ya hijiri rishinde rishange. Ça veut dire ngeri regretter au maskini iwe ya hijiri. Par exemple here, I wish I hadn't done it. Verbe to do conjugué au past perfect. Donc here we have I wish I hadn't done it. I did it. Ça veut dire no ufanya action au passé bengo regrete mba ora kwa kaifanya. So another example here we have I wish I hadn't eaten much. I ate much. Ça veut dire ngo regrete ora kwa kala shaula shengi. Mauri gwa mashaka janja mjini na mnele wando lazimisho watrawe be ujo paramba wawe mbawe jeta kushinda wahima balwake tivale. Ngo chaka pliero one kushinda wahima mena deja uyinyengi. Donc go junjo mama skine kwa kala shaula shengi. So another example we have here, I wish I had studied hard for the exam. I didn't study hard. Donc nakati rongwa I wish I had studied hard for the exam. Ngosuwete mama skina kwa utwali hangu vuha ma exam. Maro no fanya exame na ile udo para 5. Beko katwali shindusha hindu. Ngo regrete mama skina katika twali nyingi. Ujovenza mba situation ile uke capable uishange. Yani ngo regrete mama skina kwa utwali na deja ziviri. And I'm saying I didn't study hard. Ça veut dire katwali hindu shahindu. Alright guys, in the heli wishi ikao harumwa Shingereza rirumi yao na mchiebari mtwali mtoelewa zaidi na kakula sungo mwiregia na uisoma mtoelewa mtojua muke mauri diwa wajuao. Donc c'est très important wabone upartager wanzani wao partager wanzani wao ile jue rike wengi rielewao iwishi rielewao zozrongolo harma iwishi na zangina basi ngeza tu pia ngeta hao rike comme les américains na mnazle rike na confiance ni amwa zero zatu mawasi le wandu rilio rem américain. That's why guys, AMERICOM is here to make sure that you perform better in the English department, means language. Alright? Definitely we're gonna close here and see you in the next lesson. Love you guys.